Hey guys, it's the quick video duty is how to install these four wires to an electrical outlet. So now, and I take this out to install four wires to an outlet. Here you go. First up, I need to take this window these wires to an outlet, a too long cable, and the two is too big for that. And I take use my electrical tape, and what you take this app, and you go take these wires on electrician's tape, and what do you take to connecting wires to outlet, and what did you how to installing legs outlet electrical legs. So there is two wires to hat or neutral, and to take use this app. Then it's too long for that, and here you go. First step you need and take and use these strippers, and then let's go to black or neutral and then strip this 14 gauge wires, and then strip and this two white black to black, and then strip this, and here you go. Then this take this other one two wire, and there's strip other one, and then strip this up, and then this stripped away and pull this up, and there, and there is the two wires to outlet, and there you go. And then there is to trace these wires, and there you go. First step, and then this out to connect two wires to an four wires cable hot or neutral terminal screw. And that just is take my outlet, my 2-in-1 set, the screwdriver, and then and there is two wires to an electrical. Then and then fan it up, and the two wires to an electrical and connect, and there you go. Or neutral wires to ground, then connect. Then this side these screws to connect to an outlet. Then this connect two wires to other one. Then the side the screw, and there's a lock battery, and then connect battery to outlet ground. Then connect two wires to outlet, disconnect, then pull connect these wires to outlet, and connect the ground or black to white, and then connect. Second step, then we'll take the other one, then there is connect two wires to hot hot terminal connect. First step, then let's go to back to right, and right, then install this vent around, and there's two wires to outlet from US, and there is the outlet base 80s outlet disconnect to ground, and there's two wires to connect from outlet from United States, then tight, then goes to hat, then tight this screw, then to brack, connect the brack, then disconnect to brack wires to connect, then per ground, then disconnect this wires to outlet and echo, then disconnect two wires to an electrical wires to connect, there, and then take my two wires connect, and then take my neutral ground, and there you go. First step I need, and then use my electrical tape, and then you use my wires to connect. There you go. Then I use this to electrical tape to outlet disconnect, then and this disconnect two wires to an outlet, and then take off this to electrical tape to outlet and nice crane. There you go. There, that just fix it, and a nice crane, and that just to installing these four wires to an outlet, and there is tight, and here is how to install these four wires to electrical outlet from US. And thanks guys for watch, and see you on watching, and thanks guys, goodbye.